Recently, KASPA has become the most popular cryptocurrency and has also emerged as one of the top choices mining currencies for miners, causing its mining difficulty and network hash rate to increase several times in just a few months. The K-heavy hash algorithm used by KASPA is more efficient when using FPGA than GPU. Today, we will introduce TH53 with PNC2 for KAS mining, discussing its hash rate, power consumption, and estimated earnings. The software we use for KASPA mining is TRMV0.10.7 ARM version, which is currently the most popular KAS miner. It can be downloaded for free on GitHub and includes a 10% dev fee. This dev fee is basically a fee for using the TRM miner, deducted from the KAS hash rate provided locally. Here we use a total of 5 TH53s, and the local hash rate is 15.89 gigahash per second, just like in part B. A equals B times 0.9, whereas the real effective hash rate after deducting the dev fee. We are running TerraTerm on a laptop to display the results of the TRM miner running on PNC2. Here, the laptop acts as a monitor. TH53 uses Xilinx VU33P FPGA. The TRM miner used here does not require PCIe signals, and the power supply for TH53 only needs to go through an 8-pin power connector. Therefore, it does not need to be plugged into the motherboard or riser board and can still function normally. According to the wattage display on the 1600 watts PSU, the power consumption generated by 5 TH53s providing a hash rate of 15.89 gigahash per second is approximately 660 to 670 watts. As there is only one USB, a port on the PNC2, we utilize a 10-port USB hub to connect these 5 TH53s to the PNC2. Based on our external watt meter, the total power consumption of 5 TH53s plus the 1600 watts PSU is displayed as 675 watts, which matches the reading we saw on the PSU wattage display. Therefore, we believe that the power consumption of the entire system should be within 680 watts. Using the KAS mining profitability calculator on the Whatamine website, with a hash rate of 14,300, power consumption of 680 watts, electricity cost of $0.13 per kWh, and a mining pool fee of 0.9%, the estimated daily profit is $7.51, based on the coin price as of April 13, 2023. Please note that this estimated profit is subject to change depending on the fluctuation of the coin price. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in TH53 or PNC2, or if you have any other related questions, feel free to leave a message below